Isn't that a lovely thing to look at? And he's off. Okay. Make another few. Really, I told you. Don't have to wait long. Is he going in? Yeah, he's going in. Sorry, I can't see him in any closer. Oh, 2 now. Could be a fight. Or 3. 3 little birds sitting by my doorstep. Now one flew off, and I've only got 2. One flew off and one flew back, and now I've still got 2. It's the small things in life, isn't it? Must be the dry, dusty weather. Some of them birds are cleaner than some people I know. You know? There's people in the town that are cleaner, or that are, sorry, them birds are cleaner than some people in this town. In 2025, birds keep themselves cleaner than human beings. All I can say is them human beings are dirty bastards. Not everyone, just them majority that don't use water, shower gel, and bar soap. Yeah, I don't know. All that bird bath will be empty now shortly. It's filled every morning. Between them drinking it and washing, they do empty the fucking thing.